Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn some tips and ideas for healthy lifestyle, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything.
How to lose weight fast in just 3 simple steps. 1. Cut back refined carbs. Reducing sugars or carbs from your diet can help curb your appetite, lower your insulin levels, and make you lose weight. But the long-term effects of a low-carb diet are not yet known. A reduced calorie diet can be more sustainable. 2. Eat protein, fat, and vegetables. Assemble each meal out of a protein source, healthy fat source, complex carbs, and vegetables. Leafy greens vegetables are a great way to bulk up a meal with low calories and lots of nutrients. 3. Move your body. Resistance training such as weightlifting is a great option for losing weight. If that's not possible, cardio workouts are also effective. Choose what's sustainable for you. Thank you for watching.